How to change currency in Airasia app. Hello and welcome to our channel Web Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change currency in Airasia app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So I'm going to show you two different ways. Obviously in the web browser, when you open Airasia, on top of your screen to the left you're going to find a hamburger menu or the three horizontal lines, and by now I'm going to deny. There in settings you have the US dollar, so if you tap on it you're going to be able to change the currency. But if you're trying it into your app in Airasia, it's almost the same. On top of your screen you have your name, so your profile. So I'm going to click on it, and now you must to scroll down a lot until you get the settings option. Here you're going to tap on the down arrow to expand the menu, and the first option is currency. So obviously if you tap on it you're going to be able to change the currency. So this is how to change currency in Airasia app. Thanks for watching.